Amazon probably isn't going to love this video because I'm about to show you an AI Amazon KDP side hustle hack they don't want beginners using.
You the police? Is you the FBI? CIA? What's your?
This method helps someone get over 100 sales on their very first ebook. No ads, no followers, and without waiting for Amazon's algorithm to care. And to make everything easy, I put together a free step-by-step checklist with every link, every tool, and every prompt. Comment money down below if you're still here. Let's start. Step 1. Setting up your KDP account. Go to Amazon KDP. Click Join. Type your name, email, and a strong password. Verify the code sent to your inbox. Add your phone number. Fill out your real details. Don't fake anything. Add your payment info. Complete the short tax form. Upload your ID. When every notification disappears, your account is officially ready. This is where the AI hack begins. Step 2. Creating a human-like book using AI. First, choose a topic that actually sells. Business, finance, motivation. These convert the fastest and promote the easiest. Next, generate a short, viral title. Use your title prompt. Get 10 options. Pick the strongest one. 3 to 4 words, maximum. Now take that title and use the table of contents prompt to build your book outline. Copy it into Google Docs. Here's the AI hack. You never generate the whole book at once. It lowers the quality. Instead, you generate chapter by chapter inside the same ChatGPT conversation. Paste your chapter 1 prompt. Let it write. Copy the text, paste it into Google Docs. Repeat this for every chapter in your outline. If your ChatGPT trial runs out, open a new account, paste your outline, and continue seamlessly. Now format your book. Page 1, blank. Page 2, title only. Page 3, table of contents. Then the chapters. Your manuscript is done. Step 3, creating a viral cover with AI. Go to Leonardo AI. Pick a 2 to 3 ratio. Generate 2 or 3 cover backgrounds. Choose the cleanest one and upload it into Canva. Add your title. Add your author name. Center everything. Add a light shadow to make the text pop. Download the image. Insert it as the first page of your manuscript. Step 4. Uploading your book to Amazon. KDP. Click. Create. Ebook. Set the language to English. Add your title. Use the subtitle prompt to generate a viral subtitle. Choose a unique author name. This makes your book easier to find. Paste the description using the long-form description prompt. Select I own the copyright. No age restriction. Choose 2 or 3 categories. ChatGPT can help. Fill all 7 keyword slots. Use search terms, not repetitions of your title. Upload your book. Upload your cover. Select AI-assisted content. Amazon allows it. For pricing, start at $2.99 to collect early reviews, then raise it to $9.99 once sales begin. Click Publish. Your book will go live in about 72 hours. Now for the part that Amazon really won't like. Step 5. The AI promotion hack they don't want you using. Most people fail on KDP because they wait for Amazon to magically promote their book. This method gives you instant traffic before Amazon even knows you exist. Method 1. YouTube. Comment, hack. Use the comment prompt to generate 10 natural, non-spammy comments that subtly mention your book. Search your niche on YouTube. Filter by this month. Post your comments on 10 different videos. Because people must manually search your title, Amazon registers this as high-intent traffic. It boosts your book instantly. Method 2. Reddit value hack. Join big subreddits. r/entrepreneur, r/earnmoneyonline, r/side hustle. Don't drop links. Instead, make a value post, then tell people to search your book title. Your post gets approved, and you still get traffic. Method 3. Facebook group hack. Join active groups with at least 10 posts per day. Make a post that shares the benefit of your book. Again, no links. Tell people, if you want it, just search the title. Admins don't delete it, and real people search for you. Once your book gets a few reviews, Amazon finally starts ranking it on autopilot. Raise your price, publish more books, repeat the system. This is the AI Amazon KDP hack they definitely don't want getting too popular.